Alrighty, Richie, let's take a ride in a 09 Boxster S. And the S is better there because it's got the bigger engine, 3.4 liter, 310 horsepower. This one's got the 7-speed PDK, so you know you can do some paddle shifting.
Yeah, you can drink your coffee while you're cruising on the 405 freeway.
Yeah, in traffic, no,
In traffic.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's too fast, dude.
Yeah, no, that's pretty good. Yeah, a lot faster than I thought.
Yeah, you're like, oh, Boxsters are slow.
Yeah, no, you know, it's got all the Porsche stuff. You know, it's got the 4-wheel disc brakes. You know, it's got, you know, the PSM for the, you know, stability control, and it's got, you know, some dual spoke alloys there.
Yeah, 19s, I think, aren't they?
Yeah, they're 19s.
Got the big red brakes on there. You can always tell an S when you see
Yep.
it go by. It's got the big red calipers.
Oh yeah, you know, power steering, and you know, there's your radio thing there. I mean, this is what they call the Communication Center, with it has nav and everything else. You know.
Previous owner was a Porsche Club member, and also a good friend of mine.
Yeah.
He really knows his Porsches. He took good care of it.
Oh yeah.
Had the 90K service. It's got about 92,000 on it, and he had the 90K service done complete,
Yep.
which is good.
Yep, so you know, it's all ready to go, ready for some summertime fun. Obviously a convertible. See, look at that.
Nice color too.
Yeah, Aqua Blue Metallic. You know, so that's a very nice color. Interior's in great shape.
Soft top's in great shape too. It's fairly new.
Yeah. Lots of fun stuff. You know, you can take this car down. Perfect beach car.
Yep, your wife could drive it too.
Yeah. What? Some wives drive it.
And your kids could drive it, but don't tell them.
Don't tell them that, because then they'll want to. All right, check out this 2009 Boxster S. Aqua Blue Metallic. Got the double spoke Porsche alloys on there. And this one comes with a 3.4 flat 6, or Boxster 6, whatever you want to call it. It's got 310 horsepower. Got the 7-speed PDK transmission. And of course it's got, you know, all the way around disc brakes, power steering. It's got the HID headlights, power top, heated seats, and power everything. Got the Porsche Communication Center with a nav on it. And by the way, those double spoke wheels are 19-inch, so you know they look great. And this one's got the factory books. It's got records. It's got 2 keys, so you know, top's in great shape. It's just got the 90K service done on it, so they went through everything. So it's only got 92 on it, so ready to go. Interior's in great shape. You see the little nav system there. There's your PDK and your Porsche, you know, control panel there, the instrument panel. Nice seats. They feel good. You know, keep you located in the right place when you're taking it out and driving it hard. It's a great car. Yeah, just a nice little cruiser. Plus, you know, it's got enough get up and go to have some fun in it, and handles pretty decent, you know, mid-engine car. Oh, in the front here, yeah, look, you got this license plate. It's removable, so if you know, if you're in one of those states where they don't need that type of front plate thing, shoop, comes right off. The little plug goes there, keeps it looking great. Alrighty, usually we show the engine at this point in our video, but you know, on these mid-engine cars, which makes them very well balanced, this one you gotta, you know, pull the top up a little. There's a little bit of a, I guess, a procedure to get to the midpoint of the engine. So, but we're gonna start it up for you and let you take a listen, because these Porsche flat 6s, they sound great. All right. Whew, man, Boxster S, man, 310 horsepower. Moves pretty good. Well, we got this nice looking Porsche Boxster S here at California Cars, and we're located in Simi Valley. Our number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to me, Gary, or Rich over there resting in the car, and we'd be glad to show you this. It's a, you know, nicely taken care of car, and good for a commuter, or good to drive on the weekend or whatever. It's ready to go. Come on down.